Oh yeah, you can feel that chill, can't you?
Yeah. Now here, this is all used to be owned by Mr. Hammonds acquired all of this. This is all the singer stuff.
Oh, the gentleman from Florida then. And I actually have a flashlight. Let me see if that'll help.
Turn on Siri, turn on flashlight. Turn it on.
Oh, they even have a dehumidifier in here trying to keep it dry.
Yeah, well, this was all used until a couple of years ago. When they decided to
So this was actually part of the plant right here then, where they were making the machines, or the cabinets rather. Boy, look at those doors over there even, that's incredible. Holy mackerel. And you said the owner of this is in Florida right now then, huh?
yeah, the gentleman that owned all this now is in Florida. And I possibly we normally go through the third. I normally go through the third floor. Actually, we probably should have been through the third floor.
That one's kind of stuck on you. You want me to give it a tug real quick and see if I can get her open?
Yeah, you can see it. No, we can just go through the third floor.
Yeah, that thing is, that's stuck good. That's stuck good. Yeah, this closed in the overall plant area is closed in 1955. And there was a fire apparently in this area.
Correct.
Around 1960, was it?
Yep, there was a big fire, yep.
Were you in this area when that?
It was the year before I was born. Yep. There was a big fire in that area.
Yeah, this has historical significance. So I think they'd have to preserve it somehow.
Well, they could
And
tear it down.
And is this is some of the Singer shelving and stuff then?
You know what? I've never asked Mr. Hammonds this, but I imagine it is. The guy that used to be back that owned this section, he since then moved out, but he has a lot. He has a lot of history of this place.